Thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru neritete Mukaana ki Ariti ngweba kaunti barabombikia kwithira bakiyukakia ndawa iria ibatere kwithirikie wa mwingi akiaria kaita kaunyagia bwa mathaga yetumi ya utumiro cibitarine DG Linda Kiome awete thirikari ya mutuma nichumitie muno kuongela bajeti ya rwangi rwa ugima utira kwina ndawa na mathaga ya kwana. Raymond Mwenda aina riboti na njire kinyanirite.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ni baete Mukaana Ariti ngweba kaunti kumania na wamba bo ndawa iria ibati kwithia cia cibitari cia kaunti.
Na turiuga ke Ariti bangu giba thirikari tafadhali ndawa ici ciaje cia kinya cibitari ikauma cibitari ichinenkero ki antu bara babwirete kwithirwa bakinenkairo ndawa ici.
Kuringana na munini wa gavana Linda Kiome, thirikari ya kaunti ni kurita ngui mathaa 24 kuongela bajeti ya ugima na yaomba kwithira iria ibu nene kithira inya uni ucoko nyuma ibarabati kuona karibu othethuka.
The government of His Excellency Isaac Mutumanto Ethinkia is desirous and will ensure that our people get the medicine. Gone are the days when our people used to go to hospitals and be told go and buy drugs kagure ndawa no more.
Thirikari ya kaunti ni ugite nitete na mbere wikira uregister bo kiri mitandao nikenda supply cionthe ciatalika
na itukuthithia gintu tuwita digitization kira tura launch last week. Digitization yeji area in partnership between Batwi na national government ega tutetheria nkuruki ki accountability ndawa kenda kwithirwa mwaje na akomba kuonekana through computer ki mtandao akomba gwitirwa laboratory na kuonekana through computer iria kana tablets iria tukwithwa tukiona na twethirwe inya muntu agita laboratory na gwita kwewa ndawa iji kethwa chigitonyithwa gi system na ikethwa na ndi mwaje aria ndawa iji through system.
Mission for Essential Drug Supplies ni wetepata yoni ukinyithia ndawa kiri ntura cionthe cia county.
We work primarily with government institutions and also mission hospitals, that is the faith-based health facilities. And as part of our core mandate is to ensure that the medicines that we supply to the health facilities are quality assured and we deliver up to the last mile.
Raymond Mwenda, Nteto cha Meru.